how these can be applied in improving human development in their areas. So, assess current situation of human development in the region, province, and the municipalities. Develop a unified vision on human development for the province and municipalities. And draft an integrated human development plan. So kanina po natanong kung what output po ang in-expect. Yun po, by the end of this workshop po, each LGU po will create an integrated human development plan. So day 1, ito na po tayo ngayon sa invocation, welcome message, introduction of the facts, and then expectations check and workshop overview. That's what we're currently doing. And then after this po, RD will be presenting the Bicol human development situation. And then after po, the ZFF UNFPA LG4 Club program, and then the roadmap as well, madi-discuss po. And after lunch, this afternoon, start na po ang Bridging Leadership overview. And then the leadership journey after, and the legal architecture of human development governance, and then highlights and closing of day 1. By the end of today po, we will also answer a daily evaluation form po. Later, we'll be presenting that. And for day 2, management of learning, systems thinking. So management of learning po, we'll be assigning a host team po pala to do a creative recap. And after po the review of the LG4 Sigla roadmap, we'll be having a break, and then we will also assign a host team for the energizer before po mag-start yung afternoon session. So later we'll draw lots po for that para ma-assign po for each day and each session yung host team. Then we will also have a vision for human development session, and then highlights and closing of day 2. Day 3, same po, a different host team will facilitate the management of learning and dialogue session. And then after that po, budget sources, navigation, and advocacy. Then by the afternoon po, we will start with the Practicum 1 orientation. And integrated human development planning and presentation of plans, leading change session, and integration of technical and political streams, and then synthesis and closing of module 1. Because by day 4, executive session with the governor, and mag-start po ulit by the management of learning, then refinement po of your IHDP plans. Then, simultaneously po, in-orient po yung CSO representatives na pinadala po ninyo. And, executive session and governors dialogue with the mayors, and by afternoon po, magme-message po to the stakeholders and message of support from the stakeholders. Then, group photo, closing remarks, and closing activities. Yan po. So far yun po, yung 4 days natin. That's how it will look like. And you have questions po so far? Or wala po? So yan po.